Hi there, I'm Geoff. Thanks for joining me for today's Gaia Climate Quest. Every weekday we feature a different climate-related activity that you can do at home. And that means Turn It Off Tuesday. Today we're going to learn all about energy with the Energy Engineers program with my friend Ben.
Hi!
I have some shocking knowledge today, Ben.
Knowledge is power.
I know one way that electricity is generated.
Do you?
I do. The hydroelectric dam transforms the kinetic energy of a strong flowing river into electricity. Water is a renewable source of energy that replenishes itself and does not emit pollution.
Very factual. What other sources of electricity generation do you know of, Geoff?
Wind turbines use another renewable energy source.
The wind?
That's right.
Okay, but what if it isn't windy?
Don't get smart with me.
But seriously.
Let's address that later. As I was saying, clean energy is better for the environment and for finding energy solutions for climate change.
And dirty energy? Is it like my dirty socks?
Nothing is like your dirty socks.
Well, you're not wrong.
Some energy sources require people to burn materials such as wood or coal. When you burn materials, you create gases that impact our atmosphere.
That makes sense.
You know what will help us understand all this energy knowledge?
Candy?
No. This is the beautiful community of Gaia Town. People built a wonderful town here, but they're missing something very important.
Electricity?
That's right. The people of Gaia Town are trying to decide how they will generate electricity. Do you see any powerful sources of energy in Gaia Town?
Solar?
Yes! We can install solar panels to transform light energy into electricity.
Would that be clean energy?
Yes, it sure would. But we'll have to make space for a solar farm.
This looks great, Geoff, but I think we have a problem.
I think so too.
The houses are still in darkness. The lights have not turned on.
That is a problem. So what we need is some way to transmit the electricity from the solar farm to the community.
But how is electricity transmitted?
Power lines! This has all been fine and lovely, but nothing lasts forever.
I think I know where you're going here.
Where's that? You don't know, do you?
No.
Moving on. Things have changed in Gaia Town. The long sunny summer days have turned to the chilly, cloudy weather of autumn.
Sweater weather!
Indeed.
I'm guessing the solar farm is producing less energy for the community without the sunshine.
Well done.
I'm figuring this energy stuff out.
High five.
What other sources of energy will the people of Gaia Town investigate to generate electricity?
Wind energy! Gaia Town can now install a beautiful wind farm.
Let's build the wind farm up on this mountain because it looks very windy up there.
Guess what else we need with this wind farm, Ben?
Power lines?
Correct.
This is just peachy keen. But Geoff?
Yes, Ben.
How do the employees of the wind farm get to work? It looks like a long journey across town.
That is a great point. How do we get from one place to another in our town?
Trains, planes, automobiles?
Just to name a few.
Something is missing here. A road!
We have removed a lot of trees and wildlife from the development of this town. I hate seeing the beautiful natural infrastructure disappearing.
Me too. So what's next?
Summer turns to fall, and fall turns to
winter! Brr!
Yes, cold winters up here in Canada, and that means a lot more electricity being used.
How so?
Well, when it gets cold in my house, I turn on the heater.
Oh right, me too.
So does every other house and building in Gaia Town. And guess what else you noticed about the town?
Let me see. Wait, what?
Yes. People are moving to this beautiful town, and the population is growing.
That will increase the demand for electricity.
The people of Gaia Town need to explore alternative energy sources.
Well, Geoff, I'm glad you brought that up. There has been something about this town that has me curious.
What's that, Ben?
It's that pile of dirt.
What about it?
I thought you would know.
I do.
Go on.
The people of Gaia Town have tested the soil and determined a resource could be mined from this pile of dirt to produce energy. But this factory would emit a lot of greenhouse gases.
Well, let's go ahead and build the factory. Problem solved.
Hold on. It does not sound like the people of Gaia are in agreement on this solution.
What else are we going to do to generate enough electricity to meet the demand?
I have a few ideas.
Please?
Maybe the question is not what we can build to meet the demand, but how we can reduce the demand created in the community.
What do you mean?
Well, there are a few things we can do at home, school, and work that use a lot of energy.
How about cooking or refrigerating foods?
Yes!
So you're saying I shouldn't go look in the fridge and have a staring contest with a block of cheese every time I want some food?
Why?
What other ways can we reduce energy use at home?
Let's brainstorm together and make the changes in our routine to use less energy, because remember, energy is precious.
I wonder what the people in Gaia Town will decide to do.
Me too, Ben. What would you do if you lived in Gaia Town? How would you design a town to generate electricity? Thanks for joining me today on Gaia's Climate Quest activity. I hope you had fun and learned something new about energy. Don't forget to share your comments, questions, and pictures on our social media feeds using hashtag Gaia Climate Quest for your chance to win a high-quality Gaia Project water bottle. Before we go, I just want to thank our sponsors who make this series possible. A big shout out to the McCain Foundation and MB Power.